At Global Indian International School Noida, creativity now takes center stage. This is the beginning of a bold new chapter, the launch of the Nikon School of Creativity, an inspiring partnership between Global Schools Group and Nikon. As education evolves, so must the ways we nurture young minds.
Through the Nikon Youth Program, there's a diverse opportunity that students can choose their future. Now, this was the masterclasses that we are working on. We are here to support you with curriculum, with lectures, with ideas, everything that you need. Teaching them about how to run Instagram, how to run Facebook, how to do content creation, editing process. If you want your students to come and work with us in any ministry projects across MENA region, India we're trying to kind of dabble, will definitely get that contact. But then right now we do have other countries that you guys can work with. Some of the students wants to grab that opportunities, why not they can come and work with us as an intern and we can give them the internship letters. It's a fun activity, it's a learning activity, purely a skill building program, just to enhance their expression in life.
In a world powered by mobile technology and digital storytelling, we saw an opportunity to empower students through the lens of a camera. 5 years ago, this vision began in Riyadh, UAE.
Then we are planning that Nikon will be giving us opportunity to attend master classes. So those classes also will be arranging. Then Nikon will also help us to connect, once we reach to certain level, Nikon will also help us to connect with universities in India and outside India for student exchange programs. So a lot of things are there.
Today it comes alive in India, right here at GIIS Noida, with the first state-of-the-art photography and videography lab. Every child may not be a painter or poet, but every child has a story to tell. Through photos, through videos, through the moments they choose to capture.